Lesson 66 deals with ratio word problems. Ratio word problems are just proportions. We're going to set up a fraction equal to a fraction and then solve for an unknown. The ratio is a comparison of two things. So in example 1, it says the ratio of the number of parrots to the number of macaws was 5:7. Basically, the order that the words are given to you is the order that you put them into the fraction. So since parrots comes first, parrots would go on top, and macaws come second, so it goes on the bottom. The ratio was 5:7, so 5 comes first, it goes on top, 7 comes second, so it goes on the bottom. The question is, how many macaws were there if the parrots numbered 750? So we know how many parrots there are, so we're going to put that 750 on top where all the parrots are. The macaws is the unknown, so we'll put X on the bottom. Now to solve the problem, I can actually erase the words over here because they're unnecessary. At this point, I'm just looking at the 5/7 equal to the 750 over X. I'll cross multiply to solve. I'm going to do 7 times 750, and I get 5,250. 5 times X gives me 5X. To solve for X, I look at what's happening. I need to get rid of the 5. 5 and X are being multiplied, so the opposite would be to divide. When I divide 5,250 by 5, I get 1,050. In example 2, it says the ratio of the number of wrigglers to the number of squirmers was 13:2. When 26 students had the wriggles, how many were squirming? So we're going to put the wrigglers on top and the squirmers on the bottom. The ratio was 13:2. When 26 students had the wriggles, that would go on top. How many were squirming? X will go on the bottom. Let's cross multiply. 2 times 26 is 52, and 13 times X is 13X. To solve for X, we'll divide by 13, so X is equal to 4. Now it's your turn. Try this problem. Pause the video, try it by yourself, and then turn the video on to see how you did. The problem says the ratio of Holsteins to Charolais in the valley was 22:3. If there were 3,000 Charolais in the valley, how many Holsteins were gathered in the valley? I'm going to use H and C for the ratio. The ratio of Holsteins to Charolais would be H on top, C on the bottom. It says that it was 22:3. They said if there were 3,000 Charolais in the valley, so I'm going to put 3,000 on the bottom. How many Holsteins were gathered in the valley? So I'll put X on top. To solve, I'll cross multiply 3 times X, and I get 3X. And 22 times 3,000 gives me 66,000. I'll divide both sides by 3, so X is equal to 22,000.